you're done, put your hand like right here, right?
Yeah, hang on.
I gotta go into my shoulder.
Lean, put your arms up. Do this one down.
Okay, then.
Alright. Can you see the red crosshairs?
Yeah.
Line them up on this little needle right here. Can you get that alright?
No, how you do that?
You gotta move it.
I'm moving it.
Can you see it even close to it?
Yeah.
That's good enough. Alright.
Oh boy.
Use your thumb right here. Pull that down. Push it down. There you go. Alright. I can see what you're looking at. Fire.
It's not clicking. You didn't pull it. Oh my god.
I got hit with it! It hit my Regus.
Okay, that's good.
I want to do it again.
Do it again.
I want to do it again.
Wait, did you videotape?
Why don't I? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Still have videotaping.
Oh, okay.
Videotaping here. Oh, it's still recording. I don't know, maybe.
Morgan. Zaffy. Brian. Back to Morgan.
Back to you.
Back to you, Morgan.
Oh, my drink's over there.
What's
Are you still videotaping me?
Because I have nothing else to videotape. Why are you videotaping nothing?
It's not a picture, it's a video. You just keep moving.
It's a video.
You
Keep
move.
moving.
You move in a video.
It
helps to move.
I know I do.
digitally recording.
Everything moves around me.
Can I take one of those shells home?
They're tiny, yeah. There's a box in there too.
Oh.
Grab 5 out for
I
you.
want one that I've actually shot. Where are they?
They're all down here.
Down on the ground, over there. Over here. And over here. And
That's
Zeffy's
Zeffy's
face.